Hello and welcome to PRO EDU. My name is Gary Martin. I want to take a few minutes and walk you through kind of getting set up and oriented with the Learn platform. So to get to the Learn platform, you're going to want to go to proedu.com first and then click on Sign In. From there, you're going to use your email address and the password that was emailed to you moments ago if this was your first time making a purchase from PRO EDU. If you forgot what that is, no problem. Just enter in your email address that was associated with your purchase and click Forgot Password. Once you sign in here, you will then be given access to everything that you've purchased. So to see that, you can first go to My Settings and then go to My Library and then click on any of the classes that you've purchased. And these classes will become available just moments after you make a purchase. Now you'll notice here that you can start watching, you can add things to your favorites. So I just took this out of my favorites. I'm gonna put that back in. You can watch a trailer, and oftentimes a lot of the first few videos are actually unlocked. So if you want to preview and have an extended preview of some of the content at proedu.com, you can do so here. And anything that you don't have access to will be locked. Now, as a Pro Plan member, you get access to everything, so nothing should be locked on the platform itself. And if you don't have access to something, but you just want to buy an individual class, you can just click Buy Now, and that will take you back to proedu.com, where you can make a purchase of this course alone and not become a Pro Plan member. So if you want to browse a lot of the content here, just go to Browse, and you can do a few things. You can see what's in your favorites. You can check out our photo and retouching course collection. You can peruse by the instructor itself. And another thing that you can do is just search for something that you're looking for and search for something like the pen tool. Now, these are videos that are part of other courses where we go and, either teach the pen tool in extents. This is where we would, go in depth, or there's a pretty good section about the pen tool, in which case you can then look into clipping and isolation. This might be locked for you, but if you're a Pro Plan member, you'll have access, and then you can see the full course that this is a part of. And you'll see this is commercial retouching with Seth McCullough. Again, you can just watch the trailer if you'd like, or buy now and become a member. So a lot of our courses too have quite a bit of additional items to download. So you'll see right here is where you're going to download the files themselves, like raw files or Photoshop, workspaces, overlays, the working files, the PSDs, you name it. Every one of our courses has content that comes with it, and quite a bit. So one thing that you can also do is turn on and kind of manage how you're going to watch the content and what comes with it. And what I mean by that is you can turn on Spanish and English subtitles. You can manage the playback. You can even have keyboard shortcuts right here, and watch it picture in picture, or stream this if you want to stream this to something like a TV. Now, if you're like me, I have a few different devices, and a feature of our apps that are on your mobile devices, like your iPad or your Android phone or your Apple phone, Apple TV apps, Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, you can do a lot of downloading offline. And what I mean by that is through your device itself, like my iPad, you can open the PRO EDU app and download the app for free, and you'll have the same access to that content. So let me show you. So here I am in the Apple App Store, and I just searched for PRO EDU up here. And since I've already downloaded this, it will show as open. Now, if you haven't yet, it will ask you for your Apple ID and password. Go ahead and sign in. Now, once you download the app, it's going to ask you to sign in. And once you sign in, everything will be unlocked in a similar way. So here we've got browse, we've got my library. Again, everything that I've purchased is going to be what's in my library. Everything that is a course recently, you can browse here. And if you want to open, any one of these courses, if you're a Pro Plan member and they're unlocked, you can do so here. And if you would like to download, let's say I want to take Chris's course, I'm just going to click on download video, or you can mark things as watched. Again, you can like things and it will save in your liked. And you can just kind of build yourself a airplane playlist, or anywhere that you might not have access to Wi-Fi or 5G, 4G, 3G. So we can just go ahead and download everything here. And in your account, you can go into downloads and things will begin to appear here, and you can watch them in whatever order you want. And again, same thing with allowing notifications. If you'd like to allow notifications, you can do so there, in which case a lot of new releases, you'll just get a ping on the app and we'll let you know that something new has come out. And back to browse, you can pretty much download all courses, and really the only thing that you're going to need a desktop for is a lot of the post-production tools, a lot of the plugins, anything related to Photoshop that requires Photoshop on a desktop. These are going to be in zip files, so you'll need to use your computer to download them, because it is just a different experience to download a zip file on a mobile device, whether it's Apple or Android. And you'll notice down here at the bottom, you'll see something called live podcasts. So anything that's live, that's up and coming, you'll be able to click on, and you'll be able to see exactly when this is going to be debuting. And if you'd like to follow along and be part of the live chat and ask questions, you can do so. You just need to do so on the app or on the desktop learn.proedu.com. And you do need to be signed in. So that really is a quick rundown on how our Learn Pro EDU desktop and family of apps work. I really appreciate your support over the years. Please stay in contact. Let us know what you'd like to see more of. Send us an email at support@proedu.com with any requests or issues you might have. I look forward to seeing what you make.